We're just outside of town. This is a total reform, a little tiny house with 2 bedrooms. It's got 1,800 of land with it. Now, it's only ever going to be a very, very small house, but it is a campo property. It's rather overgrown at the moment. So there's a downstairs and an upstairs and an outside kitchen. So the kitchen's actually out here. I don't know if you could close this in at some point to make it into the rest of the house, but this is separate at the moment. A lovely view out there of Eureka. So typical Spanish kitchen. Has got a little bit of movement on the floor, I noticed. So it's got a splash pool, which is handy. Loads of fruit trees. And a nice patio area here. Now, I'm wondering if you could close that in because of the roof's always been there, but that would be something the architect would have to say. Teeny weeny lounge with a fireplace. There's the movement on the floor, look, a couple of cracks. A very small bathroom. There is a room down here, so you could open it up. There's a crack in the wall there as well. You could open this up into a bigger lounge. Upstairs there's 2 bedrooms, small bedrooms. So that's one. With a lovely view. You could have a terrace out here. On top, and that's the other bedroom, small again, but we don't get many of these cheap properties that come up. It's for sale for I think it's 156, and we're in Eureka, not far from town.